Happy holidays! Now what? So it's the holiday season and you're asking yourself, how do I celebrate my team and have fun at the same time? Well, at Elevate Experiences, we want to create events people love, and that's virtual or that's in person. And this holiday season, let's make it the most special yet by doing these 5 things. Let's check this out. Idea number 1, mail them something. The value of sending something in the mail is so important these days, now more than ever. And a couple ideas are cookies, candy canes, ingredients for a special drink that you can make on a virtual event, and they have the ingredients live. I know that seems simple, but if you get intentional about mailing people something, I know for me, when I've been thought for, I value where I work. So try that idea number 1. Idea number 2 is very simply create a costume contest. Now this could be with your kids, could be the kids at home or your team members at work. Really challenge your team to press into this idea of creating a costume contest. Now I know that's a throwback jam back to middle school or high school, and maybe costumes aren't cool anymore, but it's fun to do something intentional just for fun's sake with your team, particularly during the holidays, to gain some momentum and excitement with them. So idea number 2 is a costume contest. Idea number 3 is a surprise guest. Now, if you have a live feed like this, you're watching a video, our team specializes in virtual events. So if you want us to help you with that, we would love to, but think about a way where out of your regularly scheduled program, you bring somebody on that does a song, could be a choir, could be a live musician, could be a speaker, something that's out of the ordinary they would not expect. So idea number 3 is to think about a surprise guest to join your event. Idea number 4 is to give awards. Now we have an organization that we're working with that is creating 5 awards that the boss is actually going to his garage and making these special wooden trophies for the people there. It's not spend a lot of money, but a lot of time and intentionality with that. Now, something with the awards that's really, really fun is we're actually gonna be helping them drop those awards off, surprisingly, at the front of their house. And when we're live on virtual, they're gonna go right outside their door and see that their award is right outside. So there's special ways to do something virtually, but also be socially distant, but also care about people in the process. So give awards is an important way to celebrate the holiday season. Idea number 5 is to play a game. Now that sounds so basic, and these words sitting next to me are something you already know, but we actually have a YouTube channel, and the video came out last week, and the last several times we've had a YouTube video up. It's about virtual interactive games that you can play. Don't negate the power of getting your team to smile and to engage. This could be for awards, it could be for a prize, it could be just for fun's sake, but play a game and do that intentionally around the theme of your company over the last year or something you're moving into for the next year. Now we have a great website that's titled virtualeventsecrets.today that has all cool trainings, all free stuff to download to be able to check out to help you with your next virtual event. And I challenge you to follow us on Instagram, because whenever we put out a new video or new content, that's a place where we put it first. So go follow us there. And I just want to say, all the tools we're putting out, we're really doing that because we want to help people live and lead at a higher level. So I want you to join us on the website. I want you to join us by taking one of these 5 ideas and making your event great this holiday season. Thanks.